In this video, I'll rank different activities and chemicals based on how much they change the level of dopamine in the average brain. Some of the values presented were estimated and based on the interpretation of scientific results. Although the values aren't exact, they are relatively accurate, especially in their comparison to one another. So, what is dopamine? Well, like everything in neuroscience, it's complicated. Dopamine has several functions in the human brain, and one of those is within our reward system. It is believed that we are motivated to perform and repeat behaviors based on the dopamine reward that behavior can provide, either immediately or in the future. Measuring the release of dopamine in the human brain has helped us to understand motivation, memories, and addiction. We all have a baseline dopamine level in our brain, and we'll call that level 0. Now let's take a look at the different behaviors and chemicals that increase our levels of dopamine. Petting a dog, 30. Being outdoors in the sunshine, 40. Getting a compliment, 47. Walking on untouched snow, 49. Meditating, 64. Feeling well rested, 72. Learning something new, 84. Caffeine, 87. Helping someone, 92. Finding money, 93. Getting a massage, 95. Listening to your favorite music, 100. Having fun with friends, 120. Eating your favorite food, 130. Exercising, 142. Alcohol, 150. Playing video games, 175. Getting a pay raise, 183. Morphine, 190. Kissing, 192. Having sex, 200. Nicotine, 220. Getting married, 230. Taking a cold water shower or bath, 250. Experiencing mania, 300. Cocaine, 325. Winning the lottery, 750. Falling in love, 750. Methamphetamines, 1,250. If you enjoyed this video, like it, subscribe to my channel, and share the video as a social media post. And most importantly, if you have a comparison you want to add, please share it in the comments below.